Hi everybody, it's Jen Labre and I'm here today with a brand new card for you. Today we're going to be using the Beauty Abounds stamp set. This is one of the new cling stamp sets found in the New Occasions catalog. It's a gorgeous set. Love the butterflies and the sentiments. And this is the card we're going to be making today. We're going to use a few other products from the Occasions catalog. A little crooked there, but no big deal. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of Whisper White cardstock, cut it in half lengthwise, and score it at 5.5. And that allows us to fold it easier. Okay, we'll set that base aside for right now. Then we're going to grab a sheet of the Highland Heather cardstock. This is 4 3/4 by 3.5. And a sheet of Whisper White at 4.5 by 3.25. This is what we're going to do our stamping on. First thing we're going to do though is grab our Big Shot and our dot to dot textured impressions embossing folder. This is also found in the New Occasions catalog. Very cool embossing folder. So we'll just take that out and we'll grab our card base. We're just going to do the front half. So we'll stick it in this way. Oh, no, this way. Let's see. Line it up with the edge there, or the crease. Make sure it's straight. Okay, and we'll grab our Big Shot. And run it on through. Okay. And there we go, a very textured, dotty front of our card. Okay, set that aside for right now. And then we're going to grab the Whisper White and our stamp set. Okay, today we're going to be using 3 colors of the ink: Highland Heather, Balmy Blue, and So Saffron. Okay, first thing we're going to do is grab the Highland Heather, get a block and the swirly stamp. And we're going to just stamp that right in the middle. Okay, perfect. Clean that off. And as long as we have the Highland Heather out, let's go ahead and stamp the inside of our card. For this, I'm just going to grab the little block and we'll grab the thanks. Of course, you could use any sentiment you want. I like thanks because I do a lot of thank you cards. This is also a great set for friendships. And we'll grab the little butterfly. There we go. The inside of our card is done. Okay, back to our front piece. We're going to grab our C block and the bokeh circles. The bigger one, there's also a little one, but I like the bigger one. Close up the Highland Heather. And we'll grab our So Saffron. Now, I'm not real pleased with this color. I don't know if it's just my ink pad or if this is how the color is supposed to be, but I don't know. I'm not real happy with it. I like a different color yellow maybe. So I'm just kind of stamping around here, as you can see, just right in the center here. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to grab the splatter, I guess that's called. And we'll get the balmy blue ink. And we'll just go right around that as well. There's really no rhyme or reason to how we're doing this. We're just kind of staying towards the center. Okay. That is it for our stamping. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of the, let's see, Botanical Butterfly Designer Series paper. And if you haven't seen this paper yet, it is gorgeous. It's all kinds of butterflies. Here, let me just page through it, as well as black and white designs. And this is something you can get free for celebration. So if you spend $50, you can get this paper pack for free, and I love it. I'm a sucker for butterflies anyways, but this paper is gorgeous. I can see using it on lots and lots of projects. So there you have it. We're going to use this one here. Let me All right, hopefully I didn't miss too much. We're back with the paper. And we're going to use the new Butterfly Duet Punch. Okay, this is in the Occasions catalog. And we're just going to cut out a butterfly, punch out a butterfly right from the paper. As you can see, that, it lines up perfectly. Okay. We even get a bonus little one. So cute. I love that gingham paper. So we're going to set that aside for now. We'll use this one. And we're going to just use our dimensionals on the back. You can use the small ones or the big ones. Try and get it off with my nail there. There we go. We'll put that right in the middle. Just popped up. And then it's time to assemble. We're going to use our snail adhesive. And we'll put that on the Highland Heather base. Hopefully not too crooked. And then we'll do the same thing in here. And put that right on our card base. Okay. Little crooked, but doesn't matter. There you have our card for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, you can find all the information as well as the products I used on my blog at jenniferlabre.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.